This is Audi R8, the car that made people rethink about their dream car. You probably first saw it in the Iron Man movie. I saw the movie and I fell in love with the car. I mean, come on, Mr. Tony Stark drove it. It instantly became my dream car. And today, after 15 years, Audi is discontinuing the R8. The Audi R8, a masterpiece on wheels, a symbol of power, precision, and performance. As the sun sets on its production, let's celebrate the glorious history of the Audi R8. Before we get into the R8 and why it might be the best supercar ever made, I would really appreciate you guys hitting the like button. It helps me with YouTube algorithm. And if you are new here, you would all be new here, as this is my first video, please consider subscribing the channel. I know up until this point I've only uploaded shorts and memes, but I have some banger video for you guys to watch, so stay tuned for that. Okay, back to the R8. Let's rewind the clock and take a journey through time. Back to 30 September 2006, when Audi unveiled the first generation R8 at the Paris Auto Show. It was a game changer, a car that combined cutting-edge technology with timeless design. The mid-engine layout, the distinctive headlights, and that unmistakable side plate, every detail spoke performance and sophistication. The first generation R8 came equipped with a 417 horsepower 4.2 naturally aspirated V8 or a 518 horsepower 5.2 liter naturally aspirated V10 engine and Audi R8 6-speed manual transmission, which was later replaced with the 7-speed Astronic in 2012 facelift of the car. The V10 is same as the Lamborghini Gallardo. The R8 also had a gated manual option like the Lamborghini, which is my favorite, and it is very rare, as less car with this configuration were made. The Astronic Auto is great and all, but shifting your gears in a gated manual is something else. Here this thing shift. I would love to own this car with a gated manual V8 someday. Well, moving on. Oh, did I mention the quattro all-wheel drive system came standard? Yeah, the same all-wheel drive system that made Audi successful in the Group B rally racing. Then, in 2015, the second generation R8 came around with the introduction of a new 542 horsepower V10 engine, also shared with the Lamborghini Huracan. The heart of the beast, the mighty V10 engine, an auditory symphony that echoed through the years, leaving no room for doubt about the Audi R8's prowess. But it only came with the Astronic automatic transmission, killing the manual. Rest in peace. Also, no V8 this time around. The second gen also introduced a rear wheel drive option named RWS or rear wheel series for the stupid skids and donuts. However, with any drivetrain, whether it was a manual or auto, V8 or V10. In the R8, it wasn't just about speed. It was about exhilarating experience of pushing the limits, feeling the G-forces as you press the pedal to the metal. Inside the cockpit, the R8 was a marvel of technology. The virtual cockpit, the quad all-wheel drive system, every bit meticulously crafted to provide the driver with an unmatched experience. It wasn't just a mode of transportation. It was a connection between man and machine. The R8 wasn't just a car for enthusiasts. It became a symbol of success, a dream realized for those who dared to dream big. Celebrities, athletes, and influencers alike were drawn to its magnetic charm. And now, as the sun sets on this era, we must bid adieu to the Audi R8. The news has arrived. 2023 will be the final production year of this automotive legend. As far as why is Audi throwing the R8 as well as the iconic TT into the chopping block, the answer is electrification. As far as I have researched, Audi and other automakers are currently working on tightening the emission laws. For that, they have to go all electric. A couple of months ago, Lamborghini, the creator of some of the most iconic supercars, also unveiled what would be the world's first electric Lambo. As much as we hate electric cars, we can't deny that it is the future. For better or worse, even you are happy or not, electrification is the future. This is a moment of mixed emotions for all of us who marveled at R8's beauty and reveled in its performance. The R8 wasn't just a car, it was a dream, a fantasy that became a reality for many. To every engineer, designer, enthusiast who contributed to the legacy of the R8, we salute you. You created more than a car, you created an icon. As the sun sets on Audi R8, let us remember the joy it brought us and the memories it created and the dreams it inspired. Farewell, dear friend. You will forever hold a special place in the hearts of those who love the thrill of the open road. Well, that's all for today, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe the channel for future videos. This is my first video and this might be the saddest that I have ever made. I mean, from my childhood, this car was and is my dream car, and I would love to own it in some point of life. That's it for today. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye.